Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your thought on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to settings option, and here you can see a option which is current mood. So just tap here. That's it. Now from here you can type your thought and you can type anything as you want. You can also select some option from here. Suppose if I select free to chat and set duration from here, you can choose 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 1 week and custom. If I select for 1 hour and then tap on save, then tap on this done icon and it's done. Now your thought has been shared successfully and now your friend can see your thoughts. And that is how you can share thoughts on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.